One other thing I should point out when it comes to buying servos is they come in analog and digital varieties. So this refers to how the control board in the servo works. Some use an analog method for measuring the pulse length that you're sending to them. Some use a digital method for sending a pulse length that you're sending to them. They both function the same, but one difference between those two methods that I think is applicable to us building robots is the analog type, which are typically cheaper, twitch when you first power them on, even before you start sending them a control pulse. The digital servos will not twitch when you first power them on. And depending on the servo, that twitch can sometimes be very violent. For example, the servo might move like a 90 degrees for a really brief pulse at the very first time that you turn the servo on. So if you're using a servo for something on an arm, for example, you might not want the arm to, all the joints to twitch when you first power the robot up. In that case, if that's important, then digital servos would probably be a better choice. But there are still applications, I'm sure, where analog would be just fine. But that's something to keep in mind.